At a time when people everywhere are felling trees indiscriminately to meet their need or greed, there is one person who is earnestly trying to stall the process to safeguard the future. For his innovative initiatives, his name has been nominated for IPVM Award. He is no other than Shri Kaushal Kishore Jaiswal of Palamur district, Jharkhand. Let us know about his unique approach to save environment, taking the common people along with him. He got the idea of conserving forests and planting trees way back in 1966, when he was only 10 years old. He was motivated by his father, late Mohanlal Khurja, who used to discuss with the villagers that one of the main reasons of that year's famine was illicit felling of trees by the people. Initially, he had planted saplings in their forefathers' fallow land in 1967, and thereafter, every year, he motivated farmers to raise trees and save forests. He also ensured that contoured trenches are dug surrounding the land for conservation of water, and gradually the land became lush green forest of miscellaneous species. Shri Kaushal, born in 1957 at Dali village of Palamur district in Jharkhand, made a strategy to convert land into forests by planting trees with his own resources. Being a nature lover from his childhood, he was well aware about the importance of trees in improvement of environment. Even when he was engaged in his family business, he thought about how common people may be involved in plantation activities. With few people, banners and seedlings, he traveled from village to village and made the villagers aware regarding tree, water, forest, soil, environment and pollution. He also initiated the Van Rakhi movement and made the people understand how one tree may help in their old age, being an asset to them. People became motivated through him and planted trees within their homestead.
कल नवा में जसवाल जी गाछ बटै थलन पूरा गाँव के जाके हम नीलन ले सब कोई लगैले.
He convinced the people through Van Rakhi movement that trees are equivalent of Lord Shiva, as both of them consume poison from the air for the well-being of the living things.
पौधे हमारे भाई जैसा होते हैं, ये हमें श्वास लेने के लिए शुद्ध ऑक्सीजन देते हैं और हमारे वातावरण को हरा भरा बनाए रखते हैं.
Shri Sundarlal Bahuguna, Chipko movement leader and social worker, Dr. George A. James, Research Center, USA, and Shri Saroj Sharma have praised his activities. Shri Kaushal arranges his camps in village markets so that people can easily participate without investing separate time and labor for it. In every camp, he distributes at least 10,000 to 15,000 seedlings. He has distributed 17,15,666 plants free of costs and ensured their establishment up to 2012. It is astonishing that every year the number is increasing approximately by 1 lakh. In 1976, he initiated Paryavaran Dharma and made Van Rakhi movement as a part of it to save trees. He advised people to tie knot on trees, considering tree as brother, feel tree as a family member. This was a brilliant idea to stop indiscriminate tree felling, as nobody will allow their brother to die. Due to this brotherhood bond, affecting 95% survival of the planted saplings, the Palamu division is gradually turning into a vista of greenery.
कौशल जायसवाल दिए, इसमें पौधा लगाओ, जहाँ पानी के साधन है वहाँ लगाएंगे, घर के बगल में।
फ्री में मिला है,
खेत में क्यार में लगाएंगे।
पौधा हम कौशल कबाड़ जी सब लिए हैं, हम अपना ट्यूब पर लगाएंगे बांध पर।
In this greening initiative of Sri Kaushal, contribution of his wife, Srimati Poonam Jaiswal, sons Arup and Amit, daughter Jyoti, mother Srimati Parvati Devi, and father late Mohanlal Khurja were significant. He has organized camp in Palamu, Garhwa, Latehar, Chatra, Lohardaga, Gumla, Simdega, Jamshedpur, Dhanbad and Ranchi of Jharkhand, Uttar Kannada of Karnataka, Sonbhadra of Uttar Pradesh, Sarguja of Chhattisgarh, Singrauli of Madhya Pradesh, Gaya and Patna of Bihar with his own costs. He has also crossed international boundary and organized camp in Kathmandu district of Nepal and in Bhutan.
लोग आज नहीं चेतेंगे, आज अगर समय रहते लोग नहीं चेतेंगे तो आने वाला समय अगर तीसरा विश्व युद्ध अगर हुआ तो गोली और बारूद से नहीं होगा, जल के लिए होगा। आज लोग बोतल में पानी लेकर चल रहे हैं, आने वाला समय कल ऑक्सीजन का सिलेंडर लेकर चलना व्यवस्था हो जाएगा। इसलिए हर व्यक्ति को चाहिए कि तीसरा विश्व युद्ध जल संकट को टालने के उद्देश्य से हर व्यक्ति एक एक पौधा लगा करके उसे बचाएं, क्योंकि जंगल जो है बादल को खींचता है, उसमें शक्ति है खींचने के लिए। तो जंगल घटने से बादल मानसून जो है वो बुढ़ा हो गया, और समय से काम भर पानी नहीं देने पाता है, समय से मानसून नहीं आने पाता है। तो खाद चाहिए तो पेड़ लगाइए, स्वस्थ रहना है पेड़ लगाइए, फल खाना है पेड़ लगाइए, पानी लाना है पेड़ लगाइए, जो भी काम करना, खाना भोजन बनाना है पेड़ लगाइए। तो जो भी काम करना है तो पेड़ लगाइए। पेड़ का ही महत्व तो सबसे ज्यादा है। तो जल संग्रह तभी हो सकता है जब हमारा जंगल रहेंगे और पेड़ पौधे रहेंगे।
हाँ, जायसवाल जी पर्यावरण मतलब काम करते हैं, हम लोग का उसमें पूरा सहयोग रहता है। कभी कभी इनके साथ मैं भी जाया करती हूँ और महिलाओं लोग को प्रेरित करती हूँ कि पेड़ पौधा लगाना कितना जरूरी है।
Apart from planting trees, he has also constructed trenches and barns for soil and moisture conservation, which in turn is helping to increase the groundwater level. He has received a certificate and rupees 11,000 from Jharkhand government as a recognition of his unique endeavor. Besides, the Deputy Collector of Palamu has appraised his work and recommended for several awards. The Principal Chief Conservator of Forests of Jharkhand has also nominated his name for the prestigious IPVM award.
सन 1977 में श्री कौशल किशोर जी जायसवाल ने एक अभियान शुरू किया है, पेड़ लगाओ। मैं इनके अभियान के लिए शुभकामना करता हूं और उम्मीद करता हूं कि उनका अभियान सफल होगा।
Sri Kaushal has distributed both timber yielding and commercial species like shisham, sagwan, gamhar, chandan, etc. and fruit-bearing species like aam, amrud, kathal, nimbu, anar, papita, etc.
कौशल किशोर जायसवाल जी ने ये पेड़ पौधा निःशुल्क में दिए हमें। ये घर के बगल में लगाने के लिए है फलदार वृक्ष अमरूद, जिससे बड़ा होकर फल खा सके आदमी। और ये शीशों का पेड़ है जो मैं अपने खेत में लगाऊंगा।
He has established some organizations like Vishwavi Paryavaran Sangrakshan Abhiyan, Pani Panchayat, Vriddhashram, Lawaris Seva Kendra. Sri Sundarlal Bahuguna has inaugurated the organization that helps the poor farmers. He spent almost 3 lakhs of his own money in a year for this purpose, apart from his physical and intellectual services.
कौशल मेरा बेटा है, बचपन से गाछ लगावेला बांटवावेला सगर बांटते हैं। आज तक ला इसको सबक है यही काम करना, यही गाछे के काम ही करे थे।
His name and activities has been incorporated in the 8th standard book, New Find Out of CBSE, and one article, Jharkhand Man on a Mission, in the 6th standard book, Treasure Chest of ICSE. The work of Sri Kaushal Kishore Jaiswal, done without any heed for personal gain, is truly outstanding and praiseworthy.